I'm Bridget Bartlett with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to talk about the website settings inside Cheetah. So to do that, we need to actually enter a website. So let's go ahead and enter this one. And you'll see up at the top, we have the option to create a new page in our website. We can unpublish or republish our website here. We can sort our website by clicking here and arranging and then saving. We can actually create a membership area here. And we could sort the pages of our website by typing in the name of the page here and then clicking enter. Over on the left-hand side, you'll see this tab here will show us all of the pages of our website, and that's what's displaying now. We can click here to get an overview of the analytics of our website. We can click here to access the website settings. So if you want to change the title of your website, you can do that here. You can change what the title separator looks like by choosing that here. And you can change the address URL of your website here and the language that you want your website to appear in. You can type a description of your website here and then choose a category that you want your website to be in. You can toggle this on or off if you want your Builderall affiliate button to appear in the right, center, or left bottom of your website. And you can actually choose the language that you want your Builderall affiliate button to be in. You can toggle this switch on to enable the Builderall CRM, and you can click this button here to upload a favicon, which is the icon in the browser tab of the browser. Once you have changed any of these settings here, make sure to always click Save. Moving on to the script settings. If you have any scripts that you want to apply to your entire website, you can paste those here. You can paste the Pixel ID code for Facebook here, and also the Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager codes there. In the SEO settings, you can add any keywords, meta tags, robots, or ads that you want to use for your entire website here, and then click Save. And you can actually create split tests to test which page in your website is converting the best. If you want to access your global elements like pop-ups, you can do that here. And you can create a pop-up simply by clicking Create Pop-up, and then let's call this New Pop-up and Save. And then you can customize this to appear on any page of your website. Same thing with headers. We can create a new header by typing New Header and Save. And then we can edit this to appear on any or all pages of our website. And the same thing with footers. To create a new footer, we just click Create New Footer. We can type in the name and save, and then set this footer to any or all pages of our website. If you are in the European nations or a country that requires GDPR, you can edit those settings here. You can also access the super checkout, the blog, browser notifications, social proof, and booking all within your Cheetah Builder. And there are several trainings on this inside the knowledge base as well. To enable your browser notifications, all you need to do is open this window here and click Enable Browser Notifications and toggle that switch on. And then, of course, confirm. To connect your website domain, all you need to do is click here and follow these instructions to configure the DNS settings of your domain. And then once you have done that, you can type in the domain, for example, builderall.com, and then click Save, and then your website should be connected within 24 to 48 hours. If you have created a website for a client or a website that you want to transfer to another account, you can click here and simply add the Builderall account email address here and then transfer the website, or duplicate and transfer the website and then click Save, and then it immediately transfers. You can also go to your sitemap here, back to the website, or back to home. Let's go back to our pages. Now, let's talk about the settings for each individual page of our website. If we want to change the share image of this website page, we can do that here. We can duplicate this page. We can edit this page by clicking here. And then we can also delete this page by clicking here. We can edit this page by clicking this button as well. And if you click here on the three dots, you can access the page settings. You can go to the live version of this website page. You can duplicate this page, and you can also delete. Let's click here to look at the page settings. If you want to change the name of your website page, you can do that here. You can choose whether this is the home page or not by selecting this here. You can change the address URL name here and also the title of the website here. If you want to add a description to your website, you can type that in here, and you can also paste the Mailing Boss integration key to your website here. If you want to add any tags to this page, you can do that here, and page scripts as well, you can paste in this box here. If you click here for the SEO settings to this page, you can type in keywords, meta tags in these boxes here, and you can actually paste a URL if you want it to redirect to another URL when they've clicked on this page. You can click here if you do not want the search engines to be able to find this page, and if you want to change the share image, you can do that here as well. If you click here, you can select the pop-ups that you want to be on desktop and mobile view of this specific page. So if we click here, you see that we just created this pop-up. So we'll say that we want that connected to the desktop version of this page. And we can choose whether we want it to be automatically sized or full size. And we can choose to enable or disable the overlay. If we want this pop-up to be based on a time period, so if they are on our website for 15 seconds, we want it to pop up, we can choose that here. Or when they're exiting our page, we can choose to have the pop-up appear then. Or we can actually choose to have the pop-up appear when they have scrolled down our page, maybe 12%. And then we can also choose the same things for the mobile version. We can click here to set the header of this specific page. Since we only have one, we'll go ahead and choose this one. And for the mobile version, we can choose this header as well. For the footer, we can choose the footer that we created here for the desktop view and also for the mobile view as well. And of course, click Save. So in this video, I've given you an overview of the Cheetah website settings and also the Cheetah page settings. So again, my name's Bridget Bartlett. Now, let's build it with Builderall.